Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine and healthy and very busy in your studies because beta you have received your course outline for annual examination. So this is my sincere advice to all of you. Give your most attention towards your study. So pay attention to your study and complete the work, revise your each and every work and focus your time only for study purpose. In today's class, we will revise tenses. And in this tense, we will revise simple tense. As you know that beta, basically three types of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. And each and every tense further divided into four categories: present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Same past continuous tense, past simple tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. And same future simple tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. In today's class, I will teach you simple tense. You can look here the table for simple tense. That is present simple tense, past simple tense and future simple tense. I will teach you how will you form the present simple tense, past simple tense and future simple tense. First look at the structure of present simple tense. First you will write subject, then helping verb do or does if he or she is used, and do for you, we will use here do. And base form of verb we will use. For example, he speaks the truth. He speaks the truth. You are looking here, we add here S because this is the he, or as I told you, with he or she will use S with the base form, first form of verb. He speaks the truth. This is affirmative sentence of present simple tense. If you are going to change into negative, so just after this subject you will put here does and not. Does not, that is doesn't. He doesn't speak the truth. This is negative. If you are going to make interrogative of the same tense, so we write does at the beginning of the sentence, that is before the subject. Does he speak the truth? Sign of interrogation. This is the interrogative sentence. We put this as here. Does he speak the truth? And we remove S from here. As you are looking here, there is no S. Okay, beta. Let's move towards the next example. They play cricket match in the evening. This is affirmative sentence. As you're looking here, subject, then first form of verb and object. If you are going to make negative of this sentence, you will add here do not. They don't play cricket match in the evening. This is negative. If you are going to make interrogative, this do will come at the beginning of the sentence, that is before the subject. Do they play cricket match in the evening? And sign of interrogation. Okay, beta? Now, move towards the past simple tense. Structure, first you will write here subject, then second form of verb, then object. Look at example. We won the prize. Where is the subject? One is the second form of verb. In past simple tense, we always use the second form of verb. We won the prize. This is affirmative sentence. If you are going to change into negative, then this second form of verb will change into first form of verb and we will use here did, which is the past. We didn't win the prize. This is the negative sentence of the past simple tense. And if you are going to make interrogative, just this did will come at the beginning of the sentence, that is before the subject. Did we win the prize? Sign of interrogation. This is interrogative sentence. Look at next example. She cooked tasty biryani. She cooked tasty biryani. We use here second form of verb. When we are going to make the negative, so this second form of verb will change into first form of verb, and before first form of verb we will use here didn't. She didn't cook tasty biryani, negative sentence. Is that clear, beta? Let's move towards how will you make it interrogative. Did will come at the beginning of the sentence. Did she cook tasty biryani? And sign of interrogation. Right? Okay, beta. Let's move towards the future simple tense. The structure of future simple tense, obviously first we will write subject, then helping verb will or shall, then first form of verb. So look at example number 1. She will bake a chocolate cake. She will bake a chocolate cake. And if you are going to make negative, then you will put just after helping verb will or shall, not. She will not bake a chocolate cake. Okay? She will not bake a chocolate cake. Next, if you are going to make interrogative, so will come at the beginning of the sentence, that is before the subject. Will she bake a chocolate cake? Interrogative sentence. At the end of sentence, you must put here sign of interrogation. Will she bake a chocolate cake? Sign of interrogation. Is that clear, beta? Look at next example. You will go to supermarket. You will go to supermarket. If you are going to change into negative, you will write here, you won't go to supermarket. Just after will, you will put here not. And when you are going to make interrogative of the same sentence, so will come at the beginning of the sentence, that is before the subject. Will you go to supermarket? And sign of interrogation at the end of the sentence. Will you go to supermarket? Is that clear, beta? So today's lesson, that is simple tense, you have completed. Your today's lesson is ended here. I hope you understood each and everything in this structure. Okay, beta? Thank you and Allah Hafiz.